Convert the following into percentages and fractions. Now, when converting a decimal, it's much easier to put it into a percentage first and then into a fraction. So let's look at this first question, 0.23. To convert that into percentage, we need to times it by 100. When times it by 100, this means that the decimal point moves 2 places backwards. So 0.23 becomes 23%. Now, to convert a percentage into a fraction, we need to remember that percentage just means out of 100. So 23% becomes 23 over 100. Now, with all fractions questions, we always look to simplify. In this case, 23 over 100 does not simplify, so our final answer is just 23 over 100. Let's now look at the second example, 0.04. So first, again, we're going to convert this decimal into a percentage by timesing by 100. So the decimal place moves 2 places back, 1, 2. So 0.04 becomes 4%. And then converting this percentage into a fraction, remember that percentage means out of 100. So this is 4 out of 100. And then we look to simplify. Now, 4 and 100 are both even numbers, so 2 divides into both of them. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. These are again still even numbers, so 2 divides into both of them. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 50 divided by 2 is 25. And that is as simple as we can get. So 0.04 is equivalent to 4% and is equivalent to 1/25.